Is the Govee H1310 fan really the ultimate smart lighting upgrade for your home? Let's find out. Quick verdict style. If you're deep in the Govee ecosystem or just want your ceiling fan to double as a dynamic mood centerpiece, the H1310 stands out. It's crazy bright, 2800 lumens, and supports Matter, which means it plays nice with Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home straight out of the box. So, who's this fan actually for? Smart home fans who crave rich RGBIC lighting, tons of preset scenes, and the ease of voice control. But here's the trade-off. While the lighting tech is next level, the fan itself is more classic, solid, but not revolutionary. Installation? It's definitely trickier than swapping a bulb. Think hour or two, and maybe call in a pro if you're not handy with wiring. Let's run down the specs. Dual zone lighting means you get both crisp, functional white light, plus a colorful backlight that paints your ceiling. The fan moves up to 5,000 CFM, so it'll cool a big room, and thanks to a quiet DC motor, you're looking at about 30 decibels on low. Customization? Check. Reversible blades, 2 downrod lengths, and a physical remote for guests who aren't into voice assistants. Matter integration is the real headline here. Setup's easy, local control is fast, and you get access to over 100 preset lighting scenes, including music sync for party vibes. Lumen Blend Plus tech means transitions are buttery smooth, with true-to-life colors. But not everything's perfect. Installation is a pain, and there's minor wobble at top speeds. Plus, only the backlight is RGBic. The main light is white or warm, not color.